What's good, everybody? It's your boy Nabs. I'm back with another video. Today I'll be reacting to an ad, a Samsung ad. Just look at the numbers. More than 200 million views. Man, India is something else, man. You will never find this kind of numbers to an ad in other countries. 200 million views for an ad. This is crazy, man. I reacted to a compilation of ads before. It was supposed to be funny. It was a kind. Some of them were funny, but what I loved about that video is like how creative are the videos. They were so creative, man. That's what I liked about the video. I don't know what to expect from this one. It's by Samsung, I think. So yeah, let's check it out, guys.
हेलो
हेलो मैम। मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित।
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
Wow. I guess this video is not supposed to be funny, right? Wow, man. Look at the landscape.
मैम थोड़ा फंस गया हूँ, बस आ ही रहा हूँ।
लगता है चंदू की भेड़ों ने फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा।
Oh,
जी
she is blind.
आइए।
Oh no, why are you doing that to me, man?
टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ अब ठीक है। चलो 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 जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, आराम से। अमित जी रिमोट।
जी
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन। और आज की पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी चहेती प्रेरणा।
तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा ढोलना, तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा।
This is so hard to watch, man.
हमारे हॉस्टल की है और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है, इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती हैं देश के कोने कोने तक।
Wow. Man. I'm so emotional right now. Oof. I didn't know that, man. I didn't know when I picked this video. I wasn't expecting this, bro. I thought I would be doing another reaction video today, but man, that's it. That's it for me, man. This video just sucked all my energy. Yeah, this is so tough to watch, man. Wow. I think that it is the hardest thing to see in life. When you see, innocent people, children, when you see children, going through this kind of things in life, man, they don't deserve that. They don't. When I see children, with this kind of problems, some of them are blind, some of them are, mentally ill, some of them are, they can't walk, some of them. I'm like, this is so devastating, man. I can't imagine being, in the position of their parents. This is heartbreaking, man. Wow. I'm sorry for what I'm about to say because I know you guys are very spiritual. I'm not. I'm just being honest with you. When I see these kind of things, when I see innocent people going through this kind of things, it's times like this that I question the existence of, you know what I want to say. I don't want to say it, but like, where is justice, man? Where is justice? Why are you doing this to innocent people? If you have everything in your hand, why are you doing this to people, man? Innocent people. You're doing this to innocent children and their parents too. It's not like, the children, because I think that the parents suffer more from this than the children, because children are not fully aware of what's going on in their lives, because they never know what it is to be a normal person. But parents know that, so they know the suffering of their children. This is so devastating, man. Yeah. Again, this is a very creative video. If I knew they would talk about this kind of things, I would never watch the video, man. This is not for me. This is not for me. Because when I see these videos, I am emotional, but it's not like I want to cry, but it's anger. It's more anger because I don't understand. I don't understand why innocent people are in these kind of positions. So yeah, man. Like I said before, I thought that I would be doing another reaction video today. But man, that's it for me, man. That's it. I'm knocked out. Sorry guys. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. And see you next time, guys. Ciao.